So just an update on the Datsun rear brakes. So generally, these are your shoes. These are in pretty good condition. This here is your adjusting unit. So you get your 7mm spanner, put it on the back, and it'll spin the little screw inside there, which pushes these out to adjust it. So that way, when you put your drum on, you adjust the back of it until it's just firm, so like it is right now. We probably need to adjust it a little bit more, just so it's perfect. So with the brakes, you put your drum on, you screw the back tight until you can't turn it anymore, and then you loosen it just a little bit. A little bit more than that. So it spins freely, which means your brakes are perfectly adjusted and they'll work properly every time.